Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. They are compounds, generally harmless to humans in small amounts, and are often found in various everyday products. But some of them can be harmful in large quantities. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as sulfate, 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 sulfate. Sulfate is a composition of individual words. Sulf refers to sulfur, and word ate indicates it is a salt or ester of sulfuric acid. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sulfate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.